Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to pre-market report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. GIFT Nifty indicating about 100 point gap down. That was not really expected. Number one, yesterday the Nifty exactly closed at the highest point of the day. Number one. Number two, it was close to 300 points higher from the morning low yesterday. And number three, FIAs, though they were net sellers, but not much. And number four, the Bank Nifty hit a fresh all-time high on a closing basis. When all these things happen, usually what happens the next day, there must be a slight gap up. Because that technically all these indicate a very bullish momentum. So logically, the next day there must be at least 30-40 point gap up. But what is happening now? Almost 100 point gap down. So the reason is very simple. Looks like artificial intelligence fear is resurfacing in US markets. Yesterday, though US markets are closed, but the US futures were trading, and those US futures were very volatile after one company's result came, so that artificial intelligence fear is resurfacing. Even on a holiday, the futures were trading with so much of a volatility in US. So, clearly, although it's not visible in global markets because, this news has come after the European markets closed yesterday in green, and then today also most of the Asian markets are closed due to the Chinese New Year. I think only two markets open, one is Japan, the other one is Australia. So Japan is down, Australia is up. So we are not getting any firm global cues. So in this background, there's a gap down of about 100 points. So that is really not a good news for bulls. So yesterday, the bulls were hoping that, 25,800 will be taken out. As I told you, if 25,810 is taken out on the higher side, so the probably, the Nifty may become long once again. So bulls were living with that hope, but now that hope has been dashed. And today is a weekly expiry. So weekly expiry markets tend to be very volatile. And looking at the open interest, there was a lot of unwinding in 25,500, 25,600 calls yesterday, and probably they would have moved the calls to 25,800 or 25,900 to cover some of the losses there. So now the question is, will Nifty defend 25,500? So this month, in addition to the budget day, so even after I think two times Nifty went below 25,500. I'm talking excluding the budget day fall. And both times it recovered. So therefore logically 24,400 to 24,500 should be a good support. But it all depends upon how these IT stocks are going to react to the artificial intelligence fear resurfacing in US. So looks like, China is leading in artificial intelligence. So yesterday I read a report in a foreign media that, this is the first time America is finding a tough competition from an emerging economy. Whether it is of artificial intelligence, or whether it is of a semiconductor, or whether it is of electric vehicles. The Tesla has been the most favorite electric car in the world, but now look at some of the Chinese cars. They are out of the world, cars with a lot of additional features, at a fraction of the cost. So this is a bad news for bulls, but let us hope after gap down there is some kind of a recovery. So at least Nifty, if not rising, at least it should not fall much from here. So overall, as I told you, positionally, so it's going to be a consolidation of 25,700 plus or minus few hundred points. So that is a consolidation for the next, maybe who knows, for the next few months also. But maybe like this US India signing the agreement formally, so that may be a good news. But today, due to US and Iran talk, the crude oil has gone up. So that's not a good news for our auto industry. But, due to, this crude oil, we always talk about auto industry. But the fact is that the petrol prices has never changed in India for the last many years. So overall, now it is a time to consolidate, and time to consolidate with a negative bias today, and keep watching for yesterday's high. So if that is taken out for one or the other reason, the market can turn bullish. And FIIs have sold for second consecutive trading session. Although their selling is not very big, but the concern is that they have sold about 1,000 plus crores. So we will see today what is going to happen. So keep watching for the stocks that supported yesterday, Reliance Industries and HDFC Bank. So mainly. So other than that, so there is nothing very important. Most of the Asian markets are closed, and so we are likely to just consolidate only. Like bulls are waiting when that all-time high of 26,300 will be the 24,000 high of 26,300 and this year high 26,400. So when it will be taken out, the chances are very, very slim at this point of time. But technically, we are still not bearish, and technically we will become bullish if 25,810 is taken out on the higher side. So last time the technical failed, but let us see whether technical levels are taken out this time, and after that the technical momentum sustains. So otherwise there is nothing very important today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.